Welcome back, guys. Recently I did the song Lord I Come to Lift Up Your Name, and I wanted to do a tutorial of that song. So I did this song also on my music channel, and I'll leave a link to that you could click on and listen to that. But we're going to do this in the key of F. It's a Mark Condon song, and it's one of his choruses. Great chorus. Lord, I come to lift up your name. Lord, I come to give you all the praise. You alone are worthy of all the honor and the glory. Lord, I come to lift up your name. I'm going to walk you through this. It goes F, B flat major 7, A minor 7, C minor, F9, B flat, C over B flat to F. For you alone are worthy. From the B flat to the C over B flat, A minor, D major, G minor, B flat over C, C, F. Then you do it again, you go back to the B flat over C, F. That's how you go right back into it. Now if we do this by numbers, so we can play this in any key, we're going to go B flat, we're going to go 4 over 5, 5, 1, 4 major 7, 3 minor, 5 minor, 1 9, 4, 5 over 4, 1, 4, 5 over 4, 3 minor, 6 major, 2 minor, 4 over 5, 5, 1. It's very simple, just a simple chorus, and you could take that in any key using those numbers. 4, 3, 5 minor, 1 9, 4, 5 over 4, 1, 4, 5 over 4, 3 minor, 6 major, 2 minor, 4 over 5, 5, 1. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And click on some of these other videos and watch some more tutorials while you're at it. Till next time, God bless.